Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salwa. Please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and of course to do share this video, guys. By now, we might have all seen the trending videos, clove videos, you guys. Over 300 South African girls have had clove with this man, who in return it is said that he gives them 10,000 rands, you guys. Now he makes a lot of money from those videos there on social media. It is said that this guy, he promises this girl that 10,000 rand, and he basically exploits them. They go to him in hopes that they're gonna be offered like a modeling contract or a casting of some sort, an acting gig of some sort, and when they get there, things turn sour. Now there's been this girl who too got involved in those adult content videos, you guys, and of course Cheetah detectives definitely did their homework after Olerato Mololang became very much notorious, basically, after the video of her and this man circulated. Lerato, of course, did come onto social media to try to do damage control, saying that she was exploited, da da da. Now they have managed to find this trending girl who too did those videos, and not only did they find her, she is married. I mean, they have found her wedding pictures online, you guys, her and her husband. You guys, people at this point were saying that they are feeling sorry for her husband, as it turns out that she just now, not so long ago, got married to this man there in Limpopo, and it is said that this video was taken over 2 years ago. Of course, this is proof that whatever you do on social media, people have a way of just digging up and finding out whatever it is that you did. I was saying that her past is catching up with her, and she took that mere 10,000 rands. You guys, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also, like this video, do make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.